Hey, good afternoon. I'm Monica Milstead with X Digital. Today I want to tell you all about the embellished color capabilities now of the Xerox Versant 180, 280, PrimeLink C9065 and 9070, and the older C60 and C70. So this has become an affordable option to be able to bring what traditionally was done with foils and with offset now to digital printers. So I'm talking about toners such as gold, silver, white, clear, and fluorescence. This is very powerful. Let me show you an example. So this is created on the PrimeLink, I believe. And you can see how dramatic the gold and silver are. Actually, this is gold and clear on the black media, how impressive that is, and how we wouldn't even have imagined this could be done on digital printers. So it's time to bring a little more imagination to the printed page. You know, this is really going to impact your ROI. You'll be able to charge 24 to 89% more per print. And what I would recommend to you is customers maybe they're not coming into your shop, but maybe it's a marketing group and they're saying, we'd like you to produce these brochures, or we'd like you to put together these cards, whatever. And you can embellish that, say, hey, can I do a proof for you? And then you can embellish it and have them take a look at it, and they'll be so impressed that they won't be as concerned with price, and they won't be as apt to go down the street to compare your price with the price of others, because they'll be so impressed with the creativity. So I would highly recommend that. It's been very, very successful. And this all began with, for example, Iridescent and the 1000i with the 5th color station, Iridescent with 6 color stations, but now we're bringing it downstream so it's more affordable. This is talking about 11 colors and 1 million possibilities. This is an example of the fluorescent print. And, you know, traditionally we might not have thought this would be as useful, but I'm realizing that it makes a huge difference. The Versant is known for 10-bit color, which is 1,024 bits of data to define a shade, whereas traditional 8-bit technology is only 256 bits of data. So there's 4 times more rip resolution with 10-bit color, and that's only available on the Versant 180 with this embellished kit. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the fluorescence because I think it's less obvious. It's about removing, replacing, and reinventing what you're creating. So you can see here, this kit, if you buy, let's say, the combination kit, you're going to get a tray that has 3 sections for your normal CMYK and drums, your fluorescent CMYK and drums, and your metallic gold, silver, white, and clear. So you can safely store what you're not using at the time. You're just going to take out the tray, put it in the cart, take the new tray, perhaps the vivid color, gold, silver, white, and clear, put it in the machine, and you don't have to purge. In fact, this is a 10-minute process. 20 minutes maybe the first time, then it gets down to 10 minutes, no tools required. Anyone can do it, and it just really makes this a productive solution. I want to talk to you a little bit about the applications that are possible. That would be tickets. With fluorescent, it's really great under UV light, postcards, business cards, flyers, sports, clothing, advertising, safety. So much we're doing now with COVID-19. It really stands out using the fluorescence. Warnings, signage for construction, for example, window clings, and high visibility with the orange. The brightest hues for the fluorescent are greens, oranges, yellows, and reds, but the kit is capable of producing nearly any hue. So, for example, The fluorescent kit was put inside the PrimeLink in this case, or Versant 180, and this is what was produced. So you can see how powerful that is. This is another example. I think I showed you this before. So this is not just for spot color. All 4 colors can be mixed, matched, and combined for unique applications. For example, for wedding invitations, mixing the gold and silver, you get a champagne color. Also, think a little bit about what can be done with the white. The white on this dark media really comes forward and stands out. It's very impressive, beautiful on envelopes, and of course, the Versant 180 does a great job printing envelopes with that low belt-driven toner. You can blend all colors in a single pass. High visible orange, high visible yellow, color hues of blues and purples. So don't forget, you can also produce 26-inch banners on the Versant 180. You might want to consider polyesters as well, because they can be cleaned with anything other than acetone or nail polish remover. This is very effective, and if you use the clear, it protects the signage from UV, from sunlight. So again, that's very helpful. So I wanted to finish up by talking a little bit about how to purchase these. You would just contact us here at X Digital. We would order it, we would install it for you, we'll give you some training on how to use it. We have a guide for the PrimeLink and the Versant 180 and the C60 and 70 that'll actually help you design around these kits so you do it most effectively. So our phone number is 1-800-318-7914, and we are xdigital.com. And if you click on our website in the upper right, you'll see a little blue symbol for email. You can go in there and contact us that way as well.